and gentlemen, welcome to London City Airport. The time is now 5:25 in the evening. Please remain seated with your seatbelt securely fastened until the fasten seatbelt signs in the panel above your head have been switched off. You may now make and receive calls as well as using all data services on your handheld electronic devices. When it is safe to leave your seats, take care when opening overhead lockers as items may have moved and could fall out and cause injury. Before leaving the aircraft, please make sure you have all your personal belongings with you and remember that smoking is not allowed until you have reached a designated area. All of us at British Airways and the One World Alliance would like to welcome home our customers who live in London and also wish those of you travelling further a safe onward journey. It's been our pleasure to serve you this evening and we look forward to welcoming you back again very soon.